Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself locked out, or maybe just unable to get your Kwikset SmartCode 955 electronic door lock to behave the way you want? It can be frustrating when your trusty smart lock isn't so smart anymore. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a super common issue: how to reset and reprogram your Kwikset SmartCode 955 electronic door lock. Whether you've forgotten a code, bought a new house, or just need a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will get your Kwikset 955 working perfectly again. Let's dive in. 1. Safety first. Gather your tools. Before we begin, a quick safety check. Make sure you have a small Phillips head screwdriver. We'll be opening up the interior of the lock. Also, it's a good idea to have your door open during this process, just in case. You don't want to accidentally lock yourself out. 2. Accessing the interior and the program button. First, we need to get to the heart of your Kwikset SmartCode 955. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the interior cover in place. Once the cover is off, you'll see the battery pack. Below or near the battery pack, you'll find a small black button labeled Program, or sometimes a B button. This is our magic button for resetting and reprogramming. 3. Performing a full factory reset, clearing all codes. To completely clear all existing user codes and return your Kwikset SmartCode 955 to its factory default settings, here's what you do. Step A. Locate and press and hold the program button for approximately 30 seconds. Step B. You should see the lock's status LED flash red a few times, then turn green, indicating a successful reset. Step C. Release the button. All previous user codes are now erased. Your lock is now in its factory default state, ready for new codes. 4. Reprogramming your Kwikset SmartCode 955, adding new user codes. Now that your lock is reset, let's reprogram it with new user codes. Step A. Make sure the door is unlocked. Step B. Press the program button once briefly. You'll hear a single beep and the status LED will flash green. Step C. On the exterior keypad, enter your desired new 4-8-digit user code. Choose something easy to remember, but hard to guess. Step D. Press the lock button, or Kwikset button, on the keypad. Step E. You should hear a long beep, and the LED will flash green, confirming the code has been successfully added. Step F. To add more codes, repeat steps B through E for each new user code. Each code needs its own separate programming sequence. 5. Testing your new codes. Always, always, always test your new codes before closing the door. Close the door, but don't latch it fully. Enter one of your newly programmed user codes on the keypad. The lock should retract, confirming the code works. If it doesn't, go back to step 3 and try again. Once you've confirmed your codes, reattach the interior cover of your Kwikset SmartCode 955. Special tips, FAQs. Troubleshooting. Tip 1. Beeps and flashes. If you hear multiple short beeps or persistent red flashes, it usually indicates an error during programming. Make sure you're pressing the buttons firmly and in the correct sequence. Troubleshooting. Tip 2. How to reset Kwikset 955 without code. The factory reset method we just covered is the primary way to reset your Kwikset SmartCode 955, even if you don't know any existing codes. This clears everything out. Troubleshooting. Tip 3. Battery life. Low batteries can cause erratic behavior. If your lock isn't responding, try changing the batteries first. Always use good quality alkaline batteries. FAQs. Can I set a temporary code? Yes. You can add and delete codes as needed using the programming steps. Just remember to delete them when they are no longer needed. And there you have it. Your Kwikset SmartCode 955 electronic door lock should now be fully reset and reprogrammed, giving you peace of mind and control over your home security. We hope this guide was clear and helpful.